So welcome back guys in this JLPT series where you learn about Japanese. So today is our class number 14 and it is JLPT N5 level chapter number 2, and in this chapter we will learn about kore, sore, are or dore. So these are demonstrative pronouns in Japanese and are used to refer things based on the distance from the speaker and the listener. So why it is used? So these words are used to point out objects whose name are either unknown or unnecessary to mention, and they help in specifying which object is talking about. So now let's see when it is used. So when you are talking about something near to you, you have to use kore. And when you are talking about something near the listener, you have to use sore. And when you are talking about something far from the both the speaker and the listener, you have to use are. And when you are asking which object out of multiple choice, you have to use dore. So is it used with verbs, noun or adjective? So it is used with verbs but not directly with nouns or adjectives. When using nouns, you have to use kono, sono, ano, or dono instead of kore, sore, are, or dore. For example, like kono hon wa omoshiroi desu means this book is interesting, not like kore hon wa omoshiroi desu. That was incorrect. How it is used? So these words stand alone as a subject or object in a sentence, and they are followed by the particles like wa, ga, o, mo, ni, and de. Now let's see some examples with kore means this near the speaker. So kore wa pan desu means this is my pen. The next is kore wa watashi no hon desu means this is my book. The next is kore wa nan desu ka means what is this? The next is kore wa totemo takai desu means this is very expensive. The next is kore wa oishiku nai desu means this is not delicious. Kino katta fuku desu means this is the clothes I bought yesterday. The next is kore wa dare no keitai desu ka means whose phone is this? The next is kore wa itsuyo arimasen means this is not necessary. The next is kore wa watashi ga tsukatta keiki desu means this is the cake I made. The next is kore wa amari suki janai means I don't really like this. Now let's see some examples with sore means that near the listener. So first is sore wa watashi no desu means that is mine. The next is sore o kudasai means please give me that. The next is sore wa honto desu ka means is that true? The next is sore wa omoshiroi hanashi desu ne means that is an interesting story. The next is sore wa do you imi desu ka means what does that mean? The next is sore wa mo owarimashita means that is already finished. The next is sore o tsukatte mo ii desu ka means can I use that? The next is sore wa totemo hitsuyo desu means that is very important. The next is sore o misete kudasai means please show me that. The next is sore wa kino no nyusu desu means that is yesterday's news. Examples with ne- examples with array means that over there, far from both from the speaker and the listener. So first is are wa Fuji-san desu means that over there is Mount Fuji. The next is are wa nan no tatemono desu ka means what is that building over there. The next is are o mitte kudasai means please look at that. The next is are wa furui otera desu means that over there is an old temple. The next is are wa eigakan deshu means that over there is a movie theater. The next is are wa kino mitte kuruma desu means that is the car I saw yesterday. The next is are wa doubutsu no chikaku ni arimasu means that is near the zoo. The next is are wa kino no ga next is are wa gakkou no toshokan desu ka means is that the school library. The next is are o tabete mitai means I want to try to eating this. Dore ga ichiban yasui desu ka means which one is the cheapest. The next is dore o erabimasu ka means which one will you choose. And the next is dore ga anata no kaban desu ka means which one is your bag. The next is dore ga oishii desu ka means which one is delicious. The next is dore o tameshite mimasu ka means which one will you try. The next is dore mo suki janai means I don't like any of them. Dore ga ichiban ninki desu ka means which one is the most popular. The next is dore o kau beki desu ka means which one should I buy? I should buy. Should I buy? The next is dore o tabetai means which one do you want to eat? The next is dore ga honmono desu ka means which one is real. So now let's see some question and answers with correct. So question 1 is kore wa nan desu ka means what is this? And the answer would be sore wa atarashii sumaho desu means that is a new smartphone. And the next question is sore wa dare no hon desu ka means whose book is that? And the answer would be kore wa watashi no hon desu means this is my book. The next question is dore ga ichiban oishii desu ka means which one is the most delicious. So the answer would be are ga ichiban oishii desu means that one over there is the most delicious. And now let's see some more questions like dore o kaitai desu ka means which one do you want to buy? So the answer would be kore wa chotto takai no de sore o kaimasu means that one is a bit expensive so I will buy that one. The next question is dore ga osusume desu ka means which one do you recommend? So the answer would be are ga osusume deshu means that one over there is recommended. So the next question is kore wa atarashii desu ka sore tomo furui desu ka means this is new or old. So the answer would be sore wa furui desu ga mada Tsukaimasu means that is old but still usable. So the next question is Areva anata no kuruma desu ka means is that over there your car? So the answer would be hai means yes. Areva watashi no kuruma desu means yes over there is my car. Next question is Dore mo hari suki janai desu means I don't really like any of them. So the answer would be ja. Kore wa dou desu ka? Then how about this one?